Welcome to FlexTime Manager. This video will show how a student registers for a choice activity. On the student screen, the student can navigate dates here in the top left by using the arrow buttons, and the student has a couple different views for their calendar: day, today plus 4, week, and month view. I'm currently showing the week view. In our example, this school is running 2 flex periods each day of the week. The student can select the correct date and then click Join Activity to see the selection of activities that are available for that day and that flex period. Here is the list that's available. The student can search to find certain types of activities by name. They can also use the drop-down of activity types that has been added to the system, or they can even search by room if there's a particular room. They can look at the list, and once they identify an activity they'd like to register for, they simply select that activity by clicking on the bar. Details will pop up. They have the option to leave a comment for the teacher, and they click Join this activity. Back on the student calendar, that activity is added to the schedule. The student will be able to change that choice up until the school's cutoff time. Then this blue Join Activity button will go away. In order to make a change to a selection prior to the cutoff time, simply click on the Join Activity button and change your selection by selecting something new from the list and clicking Join this activity. You'll see the change has been made on the student calendar. Over here is another example of a choice activity, but where a student was put on a rostered activity, so the choice rostered activity gets pushed out to the student calendar. In this case, the student can simply check the box to indicate that they want to register for that activity. Thank you, and I hope you find this video helpful.